first. Sachin Dhas opening the batting for PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. That is a surprise factor coming up for us. 3 matches, 50 runs so far in this tournament. Best of 30. Driven by Sachin Dhas. Finds the gap, but will it find the fence? That will be the question. There's a teaser for the fielder and finally.
There's a left-hander, looks so elegant. Just pure timing. Open the blade and off it goes. Races towards the boundary. No chance for the fielder. Fantastic shot, that one.
Shot! What a shot! Look at that!
Dhas launches this up and over into the stands. He's absolutely smoked this one. Oh, nicely cut. Excellent power making there.
Come at the time when they needed to change their gears, and he's just bisected the fielders, used the pace of except Ramakrishnan. But it was a half chance. But he will get a boundary and
survives on 37, and he comes out with a big shot. Does it go all the way? It does. A 4 followed by a 6.
boundary and backed by a fearless 6.
Under-19 World Cup winner Sachin Dhas showcasing his skills. 3
deliveries, but the opening pair of Sachin Das and Ankit Bhavne, they have made a light work of the bowling. Sachin Das, first half century in Adani Maharashtra Premier League for this young lad. What a batting, fabulous effort, and take a bow, Sachin Das. Joining me in the commentary box is Mr.
Half century. And what a shot that one is again. Very well connected. Superb shot. Over the middle off for a 6. And this has century, made his intentions clear, built up his innings, and this one was pitched right up. You can see the ball huge like a football now.
Simas, क्योंकि नाम है इनका Sachin Das. Shot! What a shot that, but there's a fielder and he pounces on that catch. As we were talking about.
हमारी नजर लग गई Julie. And this one, he did the right thing by going for that stroke, but didn't connect well. And it was a very good catch. Even at the last over, one catch was missed by the fielder. But this one, right in the slot, doesn't make any mistake. And Adwai takes a good catch. Sachin Das goes for 60, 97 for 1.
And that was Sachin Dhas talking about the Dhas dash up top. Promoted to open the innings for the Kolhapur Tuskers today, and fireworks aplenty from the youngster, the under-19 World Cup winner, ably supported by others, but he was the spotlight, making headlines. And how well done, youngster. Take a bow.